Welcome again to episode 2. So in this video, I'm going to explain what is POS and POW, which is an extremely important concept to understand cryptocurrency. Stick with me, because if you do not understand this concept, you might be missing a critical part of investing. Also, remember to subscribe to the channel. Enough said, let's get right into it. So the first system, POW, short for proof of work. This is how Bitcoin is mined. Here's how to think of it. Imagine there's a giant gold mine. Thousands of miners with pickaxes, computers, are digging non-stop. The deal is simple. Whoever finds a gold nugget first gets paid. In Bitcoin, the gold nugget is solving a cryptographic puzzle, which is a math problem so hard it burns huge amounts of electricity. The winner gets to write the next page in Bitcoin's ledger, which is the next block, and they get the reward, which right now is 3.125 BTC per block plus transaction fees. Everyone else that couldn't solve the puzzle wasted their time and energy. Proof of stake, or POS, works completely differently. Forget the miners and pickaxes. Instead, think of a courtroom. There is a judge and there is a jury, but only people who've staked their money. For example, let's say $10,000 can be the judge or be in the jury. In the Ethereum network, instead of $10,000, you stake your Ethereum tokens. The system randomly picks one judge for each block, called the block proposer or validator. Hundreds of jurors called the attesters to double-check the decision. If they do their job right, they get paid a reward in tokens. If they lie or cheat, they lose part of their tokens they had staked. This is called slashing. Instead of burning electricity, validators are putting up skin in the game. So now we know how validators are picked, but what's their job? Don't worry, I'm about to simplify it to you. Imagine this scenario. Mr. Beast opens his wallet and clicks Send 100 Ethereum tokens to the winner of my game, Carl. His wallet signs the transaction with his private key, similar to signing a check, and shouts it out to the Ethereum network. Hey, validators, I'm Mr. Beast. I want to send Carl 100 Ethereum tokens. So now someone has to validate the transaction. This is where POS comes into play, which helps in selecting the validator for the transaction. Remember the judge in the previous example? They grab Mr. Beast's transaction and start checking it. What do they check? Signature. Is this really Mr. Beast? Does his cryptographic signature match his wallet? Does Mr. Beast actually have enough balance to spend? Is he trying to spend the same tokens twice? If any of these fail, the transaction gets thrown out. But wait! How can you trust that one judge, the validator? You're right. We cannot. So the other attesters, the jury, who had staked their tokens in the POS system, do their job of auditing the transaction verified by the validator. When 2/3 of the auditors sign off, the block becomes finalized, locked into Ethereum's history forever. Mr. Beast's wallet now shows minus 100 Ethereum tokens, and Carl's wallet now shows plus 100. The system pays the block proposer a reward for building the block. All the auditors get smaller rewards for verifying it. So I hope this concept is as clear as a crystal now for you. Please, feel free to ask any questions in the comments below and subscribe if you love what I do.